Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is Vlogmas Day 9. Yes. Drinking some lemon tea. I got that I scored on my haul for Aldi's. But guys, I want to do a special thanks to the Quinn Files. Quinn Files, honey, this morning she's going back to get these. She's going back to get it because these are vegan. Guys, this is honeysuckle and honeysuckle and white florals. This smells so good. This smells equivalent to the Dossier brand. And it's made in France. I don't know if y'all be able to see that. It's made in France. Can you see at the bottom down there? But anyway, I'm going back to get more. I'm going to get 2 more. You can't beat it. It's too big of a bottle. 8 ounces. And this one here is just 1.7 something ounces. Guys, I will be going back. This is what she told me back in another video. So yeah, go check that out. Guys, I got to show y'all something in my yard. But I just want to start off my video by saying, like I said, today is a beautiful day. Do something great for yourself. Do something great for others. Love who you are. Take heart and take pride in who you are. Not in what you have, but who you are as an individual person. God loves us the way that we are. We can always better ourselves. But trust me, He got you. That's all I want to say. That's tea time. That's all I want to say. He got you in the palm of His hands. Trust Him, know Him, communicate with Him. You know, a lot of people are lost. Only way you're going to be unlost if you have a connection and a communication situation with Him. So, yeah. Just wanted to say that, but I'm going to show y'all something, okay? Hold the line, please. Y'all, we're in the front yard. I'm about to show y'all real quick. This is so cute. I was nervous, but it was cute. Can y'all see it without seeing my address or anything? That is the cutest. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I still got it's all the way back there they have. So all of these are honeysuckle. All of these are I think that's right. The honeysuckle ones, but they got plenty. So I'm gonna get 2. Maybe I need to just get a box. But they have. I would have got this yesterday, y'all. Look at that. This big thing is $2.99. Can you see it? It's $2.99. So I'm gonna get a few. I'll see you guys later, okay? Too many people in here. All right, y'all, I'm back. So it is so crowded in there, y'all. It is so crowded in there. But what I did was I just bought a box of them. I got can y'all see? I bought 4. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna keep 1 for myself, so I have 2. I'm gonna give 1 to my daughter, 1 to my mom. And then I'm thinking about who I'll give the other one to, y'all. But they smell, you can't beat this, and they're all, like I said, it's honeysuckle and white floral. I don't know if y'all can see that right here. Can y'all see that? Right. Let me see right here. Right there. Right there. That's where it says honeysuckle and white floral. So, y'all, this video going to be all over the place kind of today. But don't worry, it's going to be a good, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and do some other things. I'm going to go somewhere else, y'all. I'll see y'all there in a minute, okay? Because she got to go. All right? I'm coming to get me a 20-ounce coffee. We're going to get some. I need to see. I actually need to see if they have anything. What do you call it? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Pumpkin spice or something. I don't think they do. That's hot water. Yeah, I'm confused. So here's the decaf. But everything is new now. So what do I press? Okay, y'all. I'm confused. Grab a cup and touch the screen. Okay, there we go. Decaf. 20 ounce. Fill top. Alright, y'all. Y'all, it's coming. In the meantime, we're gonna need to look for some pumpkin spice. I need to look for some pumpkin spice. That's what I came in here for. Hold the line, y'all. Hold the line. I think this is all they have. Let's try. Oh my God, I don't really want this. I don't see anything over here. Hazelnut, pumpkin spice, French vanilla. We'll find something, y'all. She's in business. She found her pumpkin spice. Found my pumpkin spice. Uh-oh. Then I'm gonna need some cream and that's it, y'all. I'm in luck. I found it. I found it. Y'all, this is the moment of truth. Let's see how she tastes. Whoa, I like that. I like that. Pretty rich right there. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to invest in another camera because yesterday's video, I apologize in advance for it being all whether it was fuzzy or not. And then I think I even said on there to either put it in HD, but I couldn't even do it on HD on my thing. So next month is November. Hopefully I can probably purchase me a vlog camera instead of using my phone, because I don't know, y'all, I wasn't feeling that. I ain't like that. I did not like that. So oh girl, these people almost, Negro, you almost just hit me and they don't even care. Jesus Lord, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna get on down the road and I will chit chat with you guys later. Yeah, I'll see you guys momentarily. Wanted to give y'all a shot. This is OOTD. It's gonna be really quick, y'all, because her phone is tripping. But I came over here to give this to baby girl. So here you go. Tell me what you think. Smell it. And say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Smell it. Smell it.
People, listen, hold on.
They see you. They see you. What does it smell like?
It smells like blossom.
Honeysuckle and some floral. Look on the back. Y'all, she about to spray it. No, spray it on your hand. What you think?
This smells good though.
It smells real good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see you on the flip side. I gotta go home.
I'm about to spray her down.
Don't spray me.
Wipe me down.
I'm about to go home and put some food together, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. But I was in the neighborhood, so I said I'll come back and give it to her. Okay? And that's what she did. All right, y'all. I'm home now. So I don't know if y'all knew or not, but I don't really like celebrate all like that. But today is my Earth Day, and I told anybody if they wanted to come by just to see me or something, I have something to eat. So I did put together. I'm putting together some cornbread, and this is the vegetarian, y'all. For egg, if you don't use egg like I don't, because I'm vegan, you can use a banana. So I put a half a banana in there. I got my sweet potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, cabbage, and a red onion. I'm going to cut it up. So my cornbread going to go in here, and then the cabbage and stuff is going to go in here. So what I'll do is I'll bring you guys back so you can see the finished product. So yeah, bear with me, okay? Be back. So y'all, I can't get over it. Look at that. I just can't get over it. That's cute. But the sad thing about it though that make me mad is that they don't come back and pick it up. You got to throw it away. So that means somebody's wasting money. Y'all know how I feel about that, right? I don't like wasting money. So you got to throw it away? Are you kidding me? But anyway, guys, food is done. And I don't think I got a chance to chit chat with y'all, but we're going to do that in a minute. But I'm going to show y'all. Food is in the pot. Look at that. Food is in the pot. It's getting there. And cornbread. You're going to give me some of your cornbread. Cornbread's in the oven. So let's go outside. Y'all, look at this. I came outside to talk to y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all something so we can really see. Look at this big old monstrosity back here. Y'all see that? Look. Look. He looking like, what you looking at? Say, what you looking at, Willis? What you looking at? Okay, but anyway, guys, yes, it's a beautiful day today, very beautiful day. But I have somebody close to me, he lost his wife. So, you know, I been looking, that was yesterday when I found out that news. So it's just like been overtaking me kind of a little bit, because you supposed to mourn with those who mourn or who lost someone. So that's part of my, you know, thing. And then I'm not acting like it's not like my Earth Day or anything, but it's like, it's just so much going on in the world, y'all, now. It's just like, I'm just grateful to be where I'm at in my life, to have a place to stay, a car to drive, a job, just all the little simple things, those are the things that matter the most to me. So I just wanted to say that because I didn't get a chance to chit chat with y'all. But if anything comes up in the vlog or anybody comes by, I'll probably throw it in this vlog, if not tomorrow. But hope you guys had an amazing, amazing Saturday. And we're not finished with Vlogtober. So happy Vlogtober. Bye, y'all. Oh, follow me on Instagram and you'll see the dinner, okay? All right, y'all. Look at that big old thing back there. Look. Y'all see it? Now y'all see it. He's like, he about to take off. He looking like, honey, what you doing? What you doing, Willis? Huh? What you doing back there? What you doing? Real quick, now somebody done come by. This one of my sons. I'm gonna give you a quick picture. He said because he just got work, he don't want to see y'all like that. Hold on. Just say hi.
Hey.
All right, y'all. Bye.